You have probably seen the term UGC creator all over social media lately. People posting screenshots of PayPal payments, claims of making thousands per month from their phone. It looks easy. It looks fast. Some of it is real, but a lot of it is exaggerated. What is real is that brands are paying everyday people to make short videos from home. And with AI tools available today, you do not even need a camera to do it. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what UGC is, why brands pay for it, and how you can get started even if you have zero experience. Let's get into it. So what is UGC? UGC stands for User-Generated Content. Originally, it referred to content that real customers created on their own. Think product reviews, unboxing videos, or photos posted on social media after buying something. Brands noticed something interesting. These casual, unpolished videos performed better in ads than expensive studio productions. They felt more real. People trusted them more and kept watching. So brands started paying creators to make videos that look like organic customer content on purpose. Today, a UGC creator is someone a brand hires to produce short videos. The videos look like regular customer reviews, but are actually scripted and paid for. Brands use them in Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and on their product pages. Here is the important part. You do not need to be an influencer. You do not need followers. You are simply delivering a video, like any other freelance service. So why do brands actually pay for this? Because it works better than traditional advertising. When someone scrolls through social media and sees a polished, corporate-looking video, they skip it. But when they see someone talking casually about a product from their living room, they slow down and watch. That difference in attention leads to more sales. Brands running paid ads on Meta and TikTok have tested this over and over. Natural-looking content beats polished content in most consumer categories. For brands, hiring a UGC creator is cheaper than producing a studio ad and often more effective. For you as a creator, the barrier to entry is lower than almost any other freelance service out there. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. AI tools have changed the game completely. You no longer need to film yourself to create UGC-style videos. Several tools now let you generate video ads using AI avatars, product images, and simple text prompts. You type in what you want, and the tool builds the video for you. This means that even if you are camera shy, do not have good lighting, or simply prefer to work behind the scenes, you can still offer UGC services to brands and get paid for it. One important thing to keep in mind: always be honest with your clients about how you make your videos. Some brands want real people on camera. Others are happy with AI-generated content as long as it looks good and performs well. Always ask before you pitch. There are 3 AI tools I recommend for anyone starting out with UGC. I have reviewed all 3 on my website, Remote Future. I will link to the full reviews in the description. Tool 1, Creatify AI. Creatify is built specifically for making video ads. You give it a product URL or a short description, and it creates a short ad using an AI avatar and voiceover. It is one of the most beginner-friendly options because everything is set up for ad creation. You are not starting from a blank page. Tool 2, TagShop AI. TagShop works differently. It helps you turn product images and social media content into video ads that are ready to run. If you already have product photos to work with, TagShop is a great fit. It is particularly useful for e-commerce brands. Tool 3, HeyGen AI. HeyGen is a more flexible AI video platform built around realistic avatars and multilingual voiceover. It gives you more control over the script, the avatar, and the final look of the video. It is actually the tool I use personally for this channel. For UGC work, HeyGen is especially useful if you want to create spokesperson-style videos or content in multiple languages. All three tools have free plans or trials, so you can test them before spending anything. Here is a tip that most UGC guides skip completely. You do not have to compete with thousands of creators online from day one. Small businesses around you, such as restaurants, salons, gyms, and local shops, need video content all the time. Most of them have no idea how to make it and no budget for a video agency. That is a real opportunity. With an AI video tool, you can create a short promo video for a local business without filming anything yourself. All you need is a script and a few minutes of work. The math is simple. AI tools cost a fraction of what you can charge for a single video. Even one local business client per month can cover your tool costs. 2 or 3 clients, and you have a real side income. Start local, build your portfolio, then scale online when you are ready. Before I wrap up, let me be honest with you about expectations. UGC is a real side hustle with genuine income potential. But it is not passive income, and it is not fast money. Your first month will likely be more learning than earning. That is completely normal. Think of it as a skill you are building, not a shortcut. That mindset will take you much further than chasing overnight results. If you want the full breakdown, including how to price your first video and pitch brands, I'd have written a complete beginner guide on Remote Future. The link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Remember, work smarter, live better.